Hi, this is Chinmayi and today I'm going to be speaking about using vitamin C in your skincare regime. One of the easier things to do is definitely ingesting or having vitamin C supplements, and your body will use the exact amount of vitamin C that is required and it will flush the rest of it out. The other is to use a topical vitamin C serum. One of the first vitamin C serums that I have used is from the brand Nufountain. I will link it down below. What was special about them was that when you place an order for the Nufountain vitamin C serum, they make it fresh and then they ship it out to you. The second thing is that when you actually buy vitamin C serum, which is like L-Ascorbic acid, they will oxidize pretty quickly. So they need to be stored in a pretty dark place, and they need to be each time that you open the vitamin C serum bottle and then you use it, you need to tightly screw the lid back and make sure that oxidization is delayed at least for a while. The other thing that you need to make sure is that when you buy a vitamin C serum from the market, and I have noticed this in Chennai, a lot of the serums, even when I buy it, is already brown in color, which means it has completely lost its potency. So you need to buy a vitamin C serum which looks almost colorless, and then the yellower and oranger, and then by the time it becomes more brown, it's completely lost its effect, and it's of absolutely no use to use it on your skin. So if you're going to be buying a vitamin C serum, you need to make sure that it and also you can't buy this and stock it in advance, so that's another thing. So you need to buy it from time to time. Of course, if you're in the US, if you're in the West, you have a lot of options, but sitting here in India, we have only a few that actually ship to India. Nufountain does ship to India. I really like it. Also, the Cosrx vitamin C serum is also nice. A lot of people have liked using it. And the other one that I have recently stumbled upon is the Ordinary brand's vitamin C suspension 30% in silicone. And this is about 30% pure L-Ascorbic acid. And the benefits of using vitamin C serum on your skin is that, one, it is an antioxidant. We all know that. The second is that it evens out skin tone. So if you have an uneven skin tone, if you have some redness, if you have some discoloration, vitamin C prolonged use of vitamin C serum on your skin will help evening out your skin tone. It also promotes the synthesis of collagen, basically the production of collagen and elastin on your skin, so it makes your skin look plump. Protects your skin from UVA and UVB. So this will make sure, as I've told you earlier, when you use sunscreen, UV and UVB, this UVB can actually lead to skin cancer. This vitamin C serum protects your skin from UVA and UVB. And more than anything else, I have loved using different vitamin C serums. And this, of course, one of the things that I learned, I came to know about this from Sheryll Renata's Wanderlust Project blog. I'll link that video down below. She had said that this when she bought it, she realized that it was slightly gritty to the touch, and it was. And she had an interesting tip. You need to be using a pH adjusting toner, and the pH adjusting toner is something that will adjust the pH level in your skin so that vitamin C serum can actually work at its most effective. You can read a lot more about the right pH level for various acids for these to have an optimum effect on your skin in Snow White and the Asian Pears blog. That also I will link down below. So I use the Mizon AHA BHA Daily Clean Toner. I had bought this in bulk. I had bought 7-8 bottles of this. So unfortunately, the only problem with this is that it is apparently out of production. So this helps in bringing down the pH level of your skin quickly after you wash your face. Especially, I think, with the kind of water that we have in India, I'm sure our pH level is probably shooting through the roof. Anyway, this is what I use first, and then I use the vitamin C serum, then the BHA, and then the AHA. Snow White and the Asian Pear, she calls herself Cat. So she's specified the order in which to layer your actives, and using these pH dependent actives in your skincare regime. I would thoroughly recommend reading this particular article in your blog if you're a skincare junkie. So that's all there is to it about my using my vitamin C serum. And this, so far, the Ordinary's vitamin C suspension 30% in silicone is my favorite right now, and it is also very, very, very affordable. That is the best thing that I like about it. The other thing is that you can ship these to India. So that is, I think, one of the best things ever about this particular brand. So enjoy. I hope you can try out this vitamin C serum. Of course, this is the 30%. I have been using a lot of acids for a very long time. So I would suggest you start slow. There is a 23% vitamin C suspension in silicone. I would suggest you start with that and then slowly build it up. You will feel a tingly sensation, you will feel a little bit of warmth, and that's completely normal, so you don't have to worry about it. It will just be like if you have ever cut a half of a lemon and applied it on your face, you will feel this slightly tingly sensation. That's the exact same sensation that you will get when you apply vitamin C serum onto your face. So I hope that is good enough, and until I meet you in my next episode, this is Chinmayi saying bye. Today I'm going to be sharing to you about how I fell down the K-beauty rabbit hole.